Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to give you an update on the Unico Hotel being built in Lilliput, Montego Bay. And I have to say this is the fastest moving development I have seen in Jamaica. So it turns out, well, clearly if it's moving so fast, we know it's not Jamaican contractors, because they move at a much slower pace. But you might think it's China Harbor Engineering Company, but it's not. It's actually contractors from the Dominican Republic. The Dominican Republic. And they are moving at lightning speed. We were here probably a month ago, and the building was not, it was probably 3 floors. And this is just one structure. We're going to show you the rest of it soon. There you can see on the left, that's another building. Now this is where Jamaica needs to get to the point where they can build buildings like this quickly. Jamaican contractors have a far way to go. This is really impressive. And we're going to come back out here in 2 weeks, and we are going to give you another update. Today is September 20th, and we are going to come back the first week in October and give you another update. But this is really impressive. Now what's happening out here is they're actually building 3 hotels. This is the first. This is the Unico Hotel, which is going to be 451 rooms. And then they're going to build a Hard Rock Casino and Hotel also on this property, just I think it's to the right. And then they're going to build a 3rd hotel. I'm not sure what the 3rd hotel is. I think it's Secrets. No, not Secrets. Ritz-Carlton. And those 3 hotels all fall under the same company, parent company. So it's 3 hotels they're building out here. And this is just the first one. Alright guys, let us know what you think about how quickly this hotel is going up. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And do you think Jamaican contractors will ever get to the point where they can build a structure this quickly? Alright guys, have a good day.